Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Monopoly Go. So guys, let's go to your Monopoly Go app. Now tap on the three lines in the right side of corner. Now tap on your profile. And guys, let me tell you something that I have changed my name some times back. So now it's not possible to change my name again. So if you want to change your name, then you have to tap on your name. And then you have to write there your name that you want. And after writing, an option submit will show there. So you have to just tap on that. And then your name will be changed. So guys, that's it. That's how you can change your name on Monopoly Go very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.